Hello everyone. So on the occasion of our World Arthritis Day, I have chosen a very simple topic to discuss. My name is Dr. Parag Lad. I am a consultant hand surgeon at Pinnacle Ortho Center in Thane. First clarification regarding arthritis of the hand and wrist is number one, whether arthritis of the hand and wrist is same or different with as compared to the arthritis of the knee joint. I would like to explain in a simple manner one thing, that knee joint has only one direction movement, whereas thumb or wrist they have multi-direction movement. Finger joints have one direction movement. Therefore, the arthritis of the knee joint and finger joint, it could be of different category. Per se, the joint has arthritis means in hand or wrist, it could be either related to trauma because of fractures, it could be related to rheumatoid arthritis जिसको हम वात बोलते हैं, it could be related to inflammatory जिसमें hand joints में inflammation होता है. Sometimes some infection in the hand and wrist joint can give rise to arthritis in the joints. How do we investigate about the arthritis of the hand and wrist is depending upon the cause of the problem we should investigate. If the arthritis is happening because of trauma, like because of fractures around the joint, then we should consider MRI or we should consider proper X-ray. If arthritis is happening or occurring because of the rheumatoid arthritis जिसको हम वात बोलते हैं, then some special blood tests are mandatory to prove whether arthritis is because of rheumatoid arthritis or any kind of inflammatory arthritis. In case of arthritis related to infection or related to sequelae of infection, then the investigations are different. So how do we treat these patients? Number one, in a simple manner, if though some patients have arthritis of the hand seen on the X-ray, but their hand movements are reasonably normal. So in such patients, if the activity or working style modification if we advise, they will definitely have less symptoms. Some medications like cartilage regenerating medications or some of the good anti-inflammatory or what we call as a painkiller, if we take in a proper doses, the inflammation around the joints can be controlled. If the cause of arthritis is known, like if the cause of arthritis is a rheumatoid arthritis, then if we give medications to control rheumatic disease, then the arthritis will be under control. If the cause of arthritis is because of infection, say tuberculosis or because of any bacterial infection, then if we give that particular medicine, then the arthritis stage can be controlled or at least prevented to progress further. In some patients, arthritis causes main functional disability in the hand and wrist, and their activity of daily living is affected, their working pattern changes, or there is a functional deficit, so they are not able to perform particular function. In those cases, after studying proper X-rays and blood reports or CT scan, some kind of surgeries can make the functional capacity of the hand or wrist much better. Another important thing about the arthritis of the hand and wrist and arthritis of the legs or knee joint is we walk or we wet bear while walking, but on the hand we hardly wet bear. But in some cases where there is a repeated use of the hand, nowadays what we see is working class population working on a computer or a PC for longer duration because of repetitive movements. In a known patient who have arthritis problem, there is a possibility of further worsening of the symptoms. So if they modify their activity, their symptoms can be under control. In a nutshell, arthritis of the hand and wrist definitely has a cause, especially unlike a knee joint. Sometimes in knee joint arthritis, it is mostly because of age related issues. In hand and wrist arthritis, there is a particular cause, like because of fractures around the joint because of infection around the joint or because of rheumatic or rheumatoid disease. Second important thing is investigation, proper investigation, and a particular drug therapy, particular medicine therapy can prevent further progression of arthritis in hand and wrist. Particular specific physiotherapy can prevent further progression of the disease in hand and wrist. And if the symptoms are not getting controlled with non-operative treatment, that means conservative treatment, there is a proper surgical treatment which can control the arthritis as well. It will prevent the functional deficit, and it will improve the working capacity of any human being. Arthritis is in the hand and wrist is seen, usually it may start in younger population also, it is seen in older population also, unlike like a knee joint arthritis which we usually see after 60 years of age. So on this occasion of World Arthritis Day, as a hand surgeon, I take this moral responsibility to explain all the general population or general for all of us is any symptom in the hand and wrist which are like a disabling pain, restricted movement of the particular joint, and swelling around the joint, and sometimes crepitus or click sound while doing a movement. If these symptoms we observe, and if there is a specific reason behind it, do not hesitate to contact us at Pinnacle Ortho Center in Thane. Arthritis of the hand and wrist definitely can be prevented, can be treated if diagnosed well in time. There are some disappointments if we do not take care of the symptoms in early stages. The functional deficit can remain permanent in some of the patients. So we wish all of you a very healthy and heart life on the occasion of World Arthritis Day. Thank you so much. Thank you.